Hey, kamusta? Today is January 17, 2025, and today's devotion is from the book of Jeremiah, chapter 29, verse 11. Sabi dito, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Lahat tayo may plano para sa future natin. Hindi tumitigil yung isip natin sa pagpaplano ng mga bagay na ikauunlad natin. Madalas di natin napapansin na nagre-rely na lang pala tayo sa sarili nating pangunawa. But this verse reminds us na may plano si Lord para sa atin. Plans to prosper and not to harm us. Plans to give us hope and a future. Minsan lang yung mga plano ni Lord hindi nag-a-align sa mga plano natin. And we get disappointed. We get discouraged. Kini-question natin si Lord. Minsan nagre-rebelde tayo. And that's a normal human reaction. But think of it. Did He not promise to prosper you? Did He not promise to give you a good future? Minsan lang hindi natin naiintindihan yung mga redirections ni Lord. Kasi may sarili tayong mga plano and expectations. And most of the time, yun ang dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng delay yung mga blessings natin. We need to trust God. And trusting Him means surrendering control and believing that He knows what's best for us, even when you don't see the entire picture. And even when you no longer understand, lagi nating tatanda, God's plans are always better than ours. I hope this devotion today will give us an assurance that God has the best plan for our future. God bless us all.